Hello, and welcome to our dual enrollment self-enrollment tutorial. So very quickly, you are going to start off at my.maricopa.edu, and once you get there, you're going to see all of this, and then you're going to click on Student Center, and from there you will log in using your MEID and your password, and it will direct you to this screen right here. Now, our whole system got a new look, and it looks so much nicer. So your first step when you get to this screen is you will go to Manage Classes, and then don't mind the stuff that you're going to see on most of the stuff because I'm actually enrolled in a couple of classes. So for what your steps are going to be is you're going to click over here where it says Class Search and Enroll. And then you're going to look for whatever college you're applying to. And also make sure it's the correct term. So I'm going to go ahead and find my college and also my term that I'm trying to enroll into. So I found mine. Don't worry about recently viewed. Typically, yours should look just like this. You're not going to see anything. Now, to get your class, you're going to search for classes up here. Now, this is where it's really handy to have whatever course listing sheets that are accessible at whatever college you are attending. So I'm going to grab my sheet, and I have it right here. I'm just going to grab, let's do Introduction to Animate. So I'm going to grab my course number, and I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to search for that course number, and I'll hit enter. Or you could even push this little arrow over here. And here it is. Here's the class I want to enroll in for dual enrollment, which is CIS 120 DC. So to get myself enrolled, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then from here, it's going to give me different information. So it says right here, it's DE, dual enrollment, whatever high school you attend, how many seats there are, meeting dates, like all that stuff. All the information you're going to need about the class. And this is also to double check and make sure you're enrolling for the correct class as well. Always double check this stuff. Now, once you're ready and you looked over everything, you're going to actually see how my mouse is where I could click on it. So we'll go ahead and click there. And from here in the this is more information, but you're going to see action. So you're going to click here, you're going to see a drop down where it says add to shopping cart. This one's good if you are enrolling in multiple classes, or if you just need to enroll into the one class, you're going to click enroll, and then you'll hit submit, and then it'll load for a second. And then once it loads, bam, see how it says confirmation, and then it also says CIS, or whatever the name of your class you're trying to enroll into, and then it says this class has been added to your schedule. So now from there, you could click on View My Current Classes, and I know I signed up for right here. So right here, this is where you're going to see, yes, I am enrolled. And it's actually as simple as that. If you have any questions or need any assistance, make sure you reach out to your college that you are taking dual enrollment with. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye.